I'm Silvia Agozzino. I'm a graphic designer, founder of a graphic design studio in Florence called Muttnik, and for SRISA I teach branding design and graphic design studio. During class, we will explore different approaches on branding design, what it means. I want to give to the students the idea without going to speculation on branding design, but more a widespread of what can happen in the practice in the real world. I would like the students to be confident with the programs that we need to use, because then we can go deeper in the project. The Adobe Suite is cool. The skills requested are almost the same, and we will discover different branches of design with using exercises for that. So that means that we will explore editorial design, we will explore a little bit of branding, we will do workshops as well. So I asked students what they would like to learn that maybe they didn't in their previous classes, because usually it's a small group, so we kind of work together and figure out what happens during class, even if of course I have my schedule, but it works like a small studio. The students might know how to use the Adobe design softwares, the Adobe Suite, because the class is not supposed to teach the softwares. Of course, maybe it happens that to level the class, I help the students if they don't know how to use specific tools on specific softwares. There's no problem. It's more one by one situation. What I like, and I think is the peculiarity of the school, is, of course, its position that allows the students to stay in the city center. So it's easy for them to enjoy the city, plus going to classes and having this space that they can use. The school has everything the students need, and the staff is amazing. They always help the students, and I think is one of the important parts of the school that makes the difference. I mean, the support that we have with all the people that are around, the teachers, front desk staff, etc. I like that the job I do is the one that I studied for. So I'm a lucky person, I would say. It allows me to keep studying, allows me to teach. I can tell you last concert I've been and the one I'm going to, so maybe it gives you an idea. I've been to this Italian singer called Cosmo. Pretty cool. I don't know how to define what he does. I'm going to see Idols. It's a British band. They do punk rock. So this is like a small selection.